Kanen Coffee in Berkeley. Today we have a nice Lelit Bianca. Came here with the leak. It was a leak on the boiler. And we did the full descale, deep cleaning, backflashing, and while we were done, another issue popped up, which is the safety valve. The boiler safety valve was leaking a little bit, which is right here. So we switch it with a brand new one inside, and the machine is ready, beautifully ready to work. Let's pull a shot. We're just adjusting the flow. There you go, 9 bars right here, and beautiful crema building up already. There you go, beautiful espresso right here. And the coffee is ready. Coffee machine is ready. The steam is working beautifully, and also the hot water. There you go. Beautiful Bianca, brand new, became brand new actually. Please come and see our beautiful collection of brand new machines for sale, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.